Welcome to Marigold Magic! Come along, let's start the show. Dancing robots, here we go. Colors shining bright and new. Let's learn them all, me and you. Red, red, what do you see? Red balloons floating free. Robot dancing full of cheer. Red is shining bright right here. Orange, orange, warm and bright, glowing softly in the light. Robots spinning in the sky. Orange colors passing by. Yellow, yellow, sunny day. Bright sunshine lights the way. Robot jumping full of fun. Yellow shines just like the sun. Green, green, grass so bright. Trees and leaves in happy light. Robot dancing, jump and play. Green is growing every day. Blue, blue, sky so wide. Waves are dancing side to side. Robots splashing, moving through. Say hello to color blue. Purple, purple stars at night, glowing softly, shining bright. Robot floating calm and slow. Purple lights begin to glow. Pink, pink, soft and sweet, dancing hearts with happy beat. Robot smiling, full of joy. Pink is fun for every toy. Brown, brown, trees so tall. Wood and earth beneath us all. Robots stomping, fun and sound. Brown is all around the ground. Black, black, night so deep. Stars above begin to peep. Robot glowing in the dark. Black lights up with every spark. White, white, clouds so light. Soft and fluffy, shining bright. Robot floating way up high. White is glowing in the sky. Colors, colors everywhere. Dancing robots in the air. Learn and sing and come again. Let's have fun and play, my friend.